So now we are finished for the parametration and correlation, proper transaction names also we know, right? So now we need to some validation points will be there, like it's a test checkpoints. So text checkpoint and image checkpoints will be there. So I will explain that. Before that, I will record the script, just a simple business scenario. So I'm not giving proper transactions. Okay, let me finish. So I recorded for the flight booking business flow. So it is code is generating. So don't do the like this. So you need to give for the proper transaction name also. So once you can record rise, you need to observe here in domain. Our domain only we need to check. If it is any other domains like Google Map or Microsoft, anything will be there. You need to uncheck and regenerate. Then the code will be removed. Then you can go to the action. And now, oh, I think already is done for the auto correlation. See, automatically, extend I created rule, right? See, automatically correlation done. You're able to see everyone. So I'm not done anything, but already in recording options, we are created for the rule. See, it is checked with this user section. So that is why automatically the correlation will be happen. So I want to no need for that correlation. Then I am undoing. Okay. So now what will happen, right? So this login is you are doing, you are executing. So the script will be passed, but you are getting for the valid response or not, you don't know. So that is the point of view. We need to keep this some transaction point. What is that error? So you find the errors also very important. Yourself you need to resolve. Some text is equal, the break find not found. So you see this is the web break find means this is the checkpoint function. So what is the checkpoint function? As a text checkpoint function, web break find. For this arguments like text is equal to and comma last. So what will happen means this login is you are doing for login, but the page is successfully loading or not, you don't know. So that is why what we need to do means we need to write for the text verification point. And for this point of view, you need to count for the how it will picking from where means. So you can open the web tour URL, then you know. See, this is the web tour URL. In the login page, I'm entering for the login page, right? So this is the web tour. I took for the some static test for this page. So already in recording options, I enabled. That is why it is automatically picking. So you can go advanced. See here, automatically generate web break find function. I checked. So that is why it is automatically generating this function. So automatically, what is the static paste of this page? It will automatically pick. Otherwise, you need to select any one thing also. You can, otherwise you want this one, you can give for the, this is also fine. Because any one of the static test we need to take, text verification point. So after that, this will come in this page, how many times it will be there, it will calculate. In that point of view, we need to use for the one more argument, that is for save count. Save count equal to, so you need to give for the save count in login. I'm giving for the login. In the login, the welcome, how many times it will be there, it will show for the login is equal to 2 times, it will show. And as same to the we are right for some code, I think not in here. So So I'll go to the login page. We'll do for the everything in login page. Okay. And after that, now we can do for the double colons. The double colon, every argument will be double colon, and we need to give for the name. I'm giving for the save count. What is the argument? To count for the how many times will be there that web tool. It will be login, right? Login. And now you can execute. What will happen? You can observe. See, the script will be pass. You can observe what happened. The script will pass, but you are getting for the valid means login is successfully or not. You don't know. So what you need to do, you need to check for the valid. So you can go to here, and I think you are not seeing any blue color means we need to set for the runtime settings as a full mode. You need to set like in logs. You need to set for the we have the two logs will be standard extend log. You want for the it will not showing in blue color. You need to check the extend logs and parameter substitution. Then only you are able to see the if anything enhancements done, you are able to see the output. Now we'll go here. See, now you can observe login is equal to 0 came. See, you can observe for here where we are. Yeah, in this page, web tour will be there, not there. Web tours. The text will be there, not there. Actually, we are given for the text. What text we are given?
Welcome.
Web tour. See, web tour solo, same one I keep the web tour. This web tour, how many times will be there in this? One time, two times, and three times will be there. But you can observe login is equal 0 showing means this web tour is not there in this page. It is showing because what will happen? This page is successfully not loading. Means you are not getting for the proper response. So we are giving this using for the error handling purpose, and I will write some little bit code. Okay, just you need to copy and paste it. No need to write anything manually. Control V, and so in this ABC count place, you need to give for the what name you are given save count. You need to pass that one. So just what I writing means if else condition. See, if else condition is checkpoint pass or failed condition I written. So now we can execute. Some compilation errors. Unrecognized statement. See here double colon miss. And semicolon double colon equal to see here two times will be there and remove one, and now it is everything is fine. Else started and okay. Now so you want to see compile means you are getting any errors or you need to verify means you need to click on compile button. This is the compile button. So now you can execute. Now is no errors. See, the script will be pass. Now we can observe in output window. See, login is equal to 0. I think statement will be wrong will be there. This is the checkpoint is failed, and this is the pass. Save it and run. So what will happen means login is equal to more than 1, then checkpoint will be pass. If it is less than G1 means it is fail. Now you can observe here login is equal to what happened? Login is equal to 0 showing. checkpoint is failed. So just we want for the message point of only we return this code. I will share to everyone. Just you can copy and paste it, and you need to change only for this. What is the name you are giving in the save count? Same name you need to pass it here. That's it. No need to write anything manually. You can keep this in your mail and your real-time point of also you need to copy and paste it. No need to, because every time will be same. So now you can observe, so everything we have in this page, we have the web tour will be there. But what will happen? It is showing for the 0 because here we are not done for the correlation. This is this value. That is why we are not getting for the valid response page. Means it is login is not successfully doing. So, but in script, what will happen? It is showing as your script will be pass. Then what you are thinking? Okay, our script will pass, but you are not getting for the proper response. So that is why it is showing here the text web tour is not there. Login part is a web tour is not there. It is showing. So now you can done for correlation this, and now you can observe. I'm doing for the auto correlation and details, and I'm selecting for the boundary base. Okay, and table and okay, and click on collect. Click on close. Now I done. See, now I done for the auto correlation. Then I'm saving and I'm executing. Now you can observe you are getting for the valid response or not. You need to check. The script will be passed, but we are getting for the valid response or not. We need to validate. Here now you can observe login is equal to 4. Checkpoint is pass. Means now what will happen? You are getting for the valid page. So this is the text verification point. Everyone got it? So each and every page you need to keep this. Each and every page you need to keep this. The code and assign to the you need to give for the save count. For here also you can give for the double colon and save count equal to you can give for the launch only, right? You can give for the same launch. And same way you need to where it is there in web break find, you need to give the same place. And if you want to give for this code here, and you can copy and paste it for after the request. You can observe this is the launch code. After the request we need to give for that code, and we need to change for the what name we are given in save count. You need to give for that name. You can copy and paste it here. Control. This is the that, and again you can execute. This checkpoint is pass or fail. We need to observe. Means what will happen? You are without doing correlation, you are not getting for the valid response. So we are error handling point of view. We are validating. We are getting for the valid response or not. Now you can observe. See, launch is equal to 6, and checkpoint is failed condition you got. Why? Something is wrong. Wait 1 minute. I'm not given comma now. Okay, that is I close this one. I'm not given comma. So like this, you need to keep for the each and every page this text verification point. So what is the validation point? What is the error handling means? Using for the text verification point, we need to validate this. Now you can observe login is pass, and you can observe here also launch is equal to 6, checkpoint is pass. So now like this, you need to give for the entire script. Where it is, see here also there, you need to give here save count, and again you need to enter code. And you can go here, and here also you can go to here, and again. So how many times it will be there? You need to give for that many times as a save count, and you can copy this, paste. So I will sharing to the in chart window and save in notepad as a test checkpoint, not this. Anyone have any doubts? Hello? So control V. So no need to write anything, right? You can copy and paste. Only you change for the save count name, what name you are giving, you can change in login part, or you need to change that. Here is login there, right? You are doing for the launch, you can give launch. You are doing click on flight, click on flight. You are doing payment, you can give the payment. You are doing for the logout, you can give for the logout. So this is the one text verification point. What is the text verification point function? Hello? What is the text verification point function? Everyone will be there?
Yes, if condition. No, may I add?
Hello?
Hello, Anna.
What is
May I
the
audible?
checkpoint condition? What is checkpoint function?
If condition.
Raji?
Defense.
Web break finder.
Yes, web break find. In that arguments, what are the argument? Text is equal and save count and last is the
Save
argument.
last.
Text is equal to means in that particular page, we need to take for the
Which
static
text,
text of that page.
uh,
Save
okay.
count means the text, how many times it will be there, it will count. Okay, and if
Okay,
else condition, nothing but just we are doing for the checkpoint as pass or fail condition we are doing. This is just if else condition, like launch is equal 0, then checkpoint will be fail. Launch is equal more than 0, then checkpoint will be pass. So just we are writing for the if else condition.
Okay.
Okay, I will copy. I already copied in chart.
Yeah. Yes, copied and
Yeah,
saved
copied
in
it.
Notepad.
Okay, you can take for and everyone save it as a checkpoint condition. Now you have the one more validation point will be there. That is for the web image check, image checkpoint. We have the two validation points. One is the text verification point. One more is the image verification point. Web underscore image underscore web underscore image underscore check. And after that, we need to give for the name, comma, and so here you can go to the step toolbars. You are able to see for the all the functions also. So which function you want, you need to click on here, and you need to see for the all the functions. You want a image, just click on that and click on OK. So you are able to get the web image. So now you need to give for the like you are giving for the SRC nothing but, for example, you can go to here in web page, you can click on SRC means image. So image means we are not selected for this is the image, but we are not take for this. How we can take means you can click on right button, click on view page source and go here, and here some SRC is equal to will be there. This is the image. So you need to copy and paste this. Some SRC is equal. So you can copy this, some SRC is equal, that is the image, and you need to pass the here. I'm writing web underscore image underscore check, and after that double colon I'm doing for the like I'm giving for the parameter name is a image, and after that comma in the double colon and comma last bracket close, and this is the syntax, and after that you need to give for the SRC is equal, you need to give like this. And the same how we done in correlation, same way here also don't know for the load runner what is the double colon. Double colon place you need to go for the black slash. Where it is, how many times it will be there, you need to give that many times. Now so done. So now we can just click on this and we can execute. So in real time, we not do for the image checkpoint, but if anyone asks for entry questions, then we need to give answer. That is the point of only I done this. And this is the function. We need to write web underscore image check, and we need to give for the parameter name and SRC. How you can taking SRC? So you can go to that particular page, like in this page, you are going to the click on this and view page source code. So here you need to select for the SRC onward. This means SRC nothing but some image code. So this is also you can take, means you can take this is also it will work. We have the in this page we need to see for the two SRCs. Means you are able to see the two. Maybe you once you can log in and you can observe in this page also you want means what you need to do, you can click on this and go to the view source code, click on this and you can take for this is the code for the login page SRCs. So each and every page also you can keep this checkpoint, but real time you can do for the web break find is fine. Is it fine for everyone or anyone any doubts? So now what is the validation points? Image verification point and text verification point. What is the text verification point means? We need to validate the static text in the particular page. Is the function is the web break find and arguments will be text and save count and last. In image verification point of view, what is the function? Web underscore image underscore check and parameter name we need to give for the like path of the image, and after that last is the argument. This is the validation points. This is the one enhancements for this our scripting. So you need to do for the like parameterization, correlation, and give for the proper transaction names, and each and every page you need to give for the web break find also. Tomorrow onwards you need to give for the web break find and same to the you need to give for this code also. Okay, tomorrow what can you do means no need to do for the new script. You can do for the web tour and same to the this script. What is this pet store? These two scripts you can do for the entire script enhancements you need to complete. Okay. So I'm done today class. Anyone have any doubts? We are good to close. Hello.
Okay, Kiran.
Yeah, okay, right. Everyone is good, right? So please talk yourself, right?
Okay.
Just you are able to understand means okay. You are now. So thank you for joining, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow, and I'm expecting for everyone. So do your assignments. So if you not do the assignments, what will happen is, if you get job also, you're not do for the work, then they will remove your job. So why I'm doing every day, you guys do for the practice. Why I'm saying means we are not going as a fresher. No one will give the training. So we are already, I'm giving training only. So that is why I'm giving for the every day is a one assignment. Okay. Thank you for joining, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow class. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.